Hey guys, this video is to teach you how to use these fraction bars, as we're going to be using them all week, Monday today, all the way through Thursday. Alright? As we already know, fractions mean part of a whole, and this one bar here is one whole. If you want half of the bar, you click the half. If you want a third of the bar, you click 1/3. If you want a fourth of the bar, you click 1/4. A fifth of the bar, 1/5. A sixth of the bar, 1/6. Notice, kind of like a ruler, I'm always lining them up right at where 0 would be. Right here I would have 0/6, but when I get this far, I'd have 1/6. Notice also that the denominator keeps getting bigger, but my pieces keep getting, hopefully you said smaller, right? Think of it here. Here I have maybe one candy bar. Well, if I share it with just 2 people, I'm going to get a bigger piece. Now if I share it with 3 people, my piece got smaller. If I share that one candy bar with 4 people, my piece got smaller. Share it with 5 people, smaller. 6 people, smaller. If it was my favorite candy bar, the last thing I would want to do is share one candy bar with 12 people, because my piece just got really, really small. Right? Okay, I'm going to get rid of these. I'm going to click New. Yep. Alright, today what we're going to talk about is counting fractions. Like, what if I had a third and a third right next to each other? Well, all together that would be, hopefully you said 2/3, because 1 plus 1 is 2. This would be 2/3. If I was counting eighths, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. I just made 5/8. If I was going to count tenths, I would have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 3/10 of the whole. Today what you guys are going to do is, I want you guys to go to this website. I'm going to erase these. I'm going to start new. And I want you guys to make 3/4. I want you to make 4/6. And I also want you to make 3/3. And when you get that done, go click on the next video and you can check your work.